How to remove price line on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to remove price line on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open the TradingView, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right side of your screen. Right click on your price scale. Once you right click, now go over line section. Once you go over there, you can see the option for price line. Just click on it. Once you click on it, your price line will be removed. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna remove price line on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.